But if you are going to live and die, just you can get the one good house in a good subdivision. That is the purpose of your life, your achievement. I can have a very good house. You can have a very good house in a 5-star subdivision, and you live and die for this, and you achieve it. What you get in the next life? When you go in front of Allah, and Allah will ask you, what you need in your life? I gave you the life, I give you food and everything, the family. What you need in your life? And you say, Allah, I always struggle to make money. Allah, I always struggle to build the houses. Allah, I always struggle to run after the material world. So where you will be heading after this? Will you be going to paradise? No. You will be not going to paradise, because your achievement was already fulfilled here in this world. Your achievement was money. Your achievement was the popularity, the famous, become celebrity you are now, and that is your achievement. I can be very well known with the people. People can praise me. They can say I'm a great man. Your achievement was to become mayabag, arrogant. You already have it. No. If I go in front of Allah, I can proud in front of Allah. I say, Allah, the life you gave me, I did everything for you. I followed your commandment to pray. I follow your commandment to fast. I follow your commandment to give charity. I did not cheat people, but I make income halal. I did not lie to people, but I speak truth. I honor my words. I use always justice, and I never do make injustices in the world. I obey my parents. I did good with my wives and my children for your sake. I did good with my brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, relatives, neighbors, and all the human beings. I did good with them for your sake, O Allah. And I am now begging you to forgive me and bring me in paradise and not in hellfire. What you are going to bring to Allah on the day of judgment? If your whole life is just after money and the wealth and the struggling for the houses and the material things, and you die with this, but people are not giving priority to Allah. If every day there are lots of people, they wake up every day Fajr because they have a work, they have office, they have a negotio, they wake up Fajr, they pray Fajr. But Sunday, no work, no business. What they do Sunday? No wake up from Fajr. So every day you can wake up Fajr. It's not because of the Fajr. You wake up because of your work. So you just pray Fajr because you wake up. It is not the real wake up for Fajr. It is not that you wake up because Allah commanded you to wake up. But you just wake up because you have a school, maybe you have some business or some job. So you said, okay, I wake up now for job or business or school, so I can just pray also. But Sunday, you don't like to wake up anymore because there is no business, there is no class, there is no school, there is no work. So you Sunday you sleep. Where is Allah now? Where is the command of Allah now? Allah is above all. Allah is the most important. Allah is the most loving for us. Then you believe in Allah and you are worshipper of Allah, and you entitled to go to paradise and not in the hellfire.